Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. So in this video I am going to be getting the feedback of these kids. What are they learning and what have they learned? This is our online class recorded video.
Hi everyone, my name is Aryan Raj. I am originally from Bihar but currently I am living in Solapur, Maharashtra. I am 9 years old. I study in 4th grade.
Hi everyone, my name is Devansh. I am from Jammu. I am 10 years old. I read in class 4th. My school name is Kendra Vidyalaya. Nice to meet you, my all friends from different states and countries. Nice to meet you, sir. Hi everyone, my name is Vedansh Chauhan. I am from Uttarakhand in India. I am 10 years old. I study in 4th class. Nice to meet you, my all friends from different states and countries.
Sir, hi everyone. My name is Samruddhi Premodatan. I am from Maharashtra, Nasik. My school name is Abhinav Bal Vikas Mandir. I am studying in 4th standard. My hobby is singing and playing cricket. Nice to meet you, sir.
Okay, so first of all, Aryan will tell me what are you learning in this online class and what have you learned till now?
We have learned so many things in this online class, so I am able to tell you. First, we have learned how to introduce ourselves. Second, we have learned all questions what meaning. Third, 24 auxiliary verbs. Then, fourth, 7 subject words. Then after we have started the 3 main things to learn English. The 3 main things to learn English are 24 auxiliary verbs, are 8 parts of speech and 12 tenses. And now we have studied proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun and abstract noun. And now we are learning rules for forming the plurals.
Alright. How about 6 sentences? Did you study 6 sentences also in this online class?
We have studied.
Okay. Why do we need to study 6 sentences or why do we need to practice 6 sentences?
We need to practice 6 sentences because we have to pronounce this correctly.
What will happen when we practice 6 sentences? What do you think?
I think when we practice 6 sentences, our pronunciation are better.
Okay, when we practice 6 sentences, so we will make our pronunciation better. Alright, good. Next is Vedansh. Why do we need to practice 6 sentences? What do you think?
I think to develop our English.
How can we develop our English by practicing 6 sentences?
Sir, to pronounce the word.
To pronounce the words. What else?
I mean, sir, sentence. Like, he is a doctor.
Then what happens when we practice?
We learn how to speak the sentence.
Very good. Why do we need to practice 6 sentences? To practice English, first of all, we need to practice in sentences. Once we practice in sentences, after that we will get confident in speaking English. When we talk about speaking English means it requires speaking sentences. If we have the practice of speaking English in sentences, then we are going to easily talk to someone in English language. Talking in English language requires the practice of speaking tenses, sentences.
Samriddhi.
Hi Devansh.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Can you ask me some questions?
Yes. What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Hindi.
Where are you from?
I am from Jammu.
Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 13th December. How old are you? Not old. I want to become an astronaut.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can ask.
Okay, so can you tell me whose car is this?
This is my uncle's car.
Okay. How many family members are there in your family?
There are 4 family members in my family.
How long will you stay in Uttarakhand?
I will stay in Uttarakhand for 10 years.